What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your current plan in Higgsfield AI. To do that, simple hover over your account on the upper right, and here you'll find the current plan that you have. Also, if you click on Manage Account and then on the left side, click on Subscription, you'll find your current plan, and it gives you a bit more detail because it shows you the number of credits you have, the models you have, basically what you get with this plan. And you can also scroll down and you'll be able to see how much credits you have in total there, and you can buy more. You can also check the active models that you get with the current plan, so you can scroll through and you can see if they're active or not, what you get, and you can even move to the next page if you have more, or simply click on see unlimited. Right, you'll be able to see everything that you actually have. So here you can just simply scroll down and see what you actually get, and you can just switch between the two pages to see. Then yeah, you will be able to use them in your generations when you're using Higgsfield. And that's it.